Good morning, friends. So it's 5:30 a.m. in the morning, and yeah, my friend Sunny is on his way from Hubli. So today we are traveling and exploring a new falls in our to-do list, which is Ababa Falls, which is near Belgaum. So it's totally 140 kilometers, what it's showing as per the Google Map. So we're excited, and as per today's agenda, so we'll be leaving Dharwad by sharp 6:30, and directly we are catching a highway which is nearby my house. And morning, our target is to reach Belgaum by 7:30 and have a light breakfast and buy our essentials things like sneakers and every other things which can keep us full during our you know enjoyment near the falls. So which I don't want to eat. Yeah, even I don't want my friend also to eat any outside stuff and fall sick. So I'll be buying some healthy snack, and we'll be having a good fun there, and we'll be coming back. So stay tuned. You will have a more to see, and you will have I have more to show you the ways, because people say Baba Falls has an amazing viewpoint. So I'm excited to see the nature and get into the nature's arms. So see you, friends. Stay tuned. Good morning. Hi Pinky, good morning. This is our travel toy, and look at the weather, guys. It's early in the morning. It's fully covered with fog. Enjoying life.
घूमे घूमे बंजारे घूमे गलियां ये बेचारे don't know which way to go.
Me and my friend Sunny. So we both, as you know, we'll be keep on exploring new things, and that too weekends is for fun. Weekends is a gift for us. So we'll be heading towards Baba Falls now, and we'll be informing you each and every update. Just stay tuned, guys. So at last we both are ready. So we are heading towards Baba Falls, which is near Belgaum. So stay tuned, guys.
आगे होगा क्या
Hi friends, so we are on a highway and the journey is amazing. It's chilling, cold as well as full of fog. So we have already crossed the Dharwad toll, and 72 kilometers still remaining to reach Belgaum. So Sunny, I want you guys to like, share and subscribe our channel as well as the video. Thank you so much. Stay tuned, guys.
ये बेचारे don't know which way to go. आगे होगा क्या
Hi guys, so we have reached Belgaum, and just now we had our breakfast. So another 40 kilometers, right? So another 40 kilometers that we'll be reaching Baba Falls. So stay tuned. While coming, actually we had a small tragedy. Our bike chain, it was very stiff and it was making sound, so we repaired it. Luckily the shops were open, and yeah, we had a breakfast, a typical Marathi style, which is a poha, which is even healthy. So chalo, we'll continue our trip, guys. We'll be heading towards Baba Falls. See you there. Bye bye.
बिन पूछे घर से भागे थोड़े सोए थोड़े जागे बाहर है दुनिया जालिम रब ही जाने जो होगा आगे.
While going to Baba Falls, you will get this diversion once you cross your Kolhapur. So you should not go left. Instead you have to go right. So watch this name board. It's exactly in between. You have to go right here.
बिन पूछे घर से भागे थोड़े सोए थोड़े जागे बाहर है दुनिया जालिम रब ही जाने जो होगा आगे. सच बोलो तो मुंह की खाते झूठी दुनिया झूठे सारे don't know which way to go. आगे होगा.
So hi guys, so you can see here a board Palghad. So यहाँ पे you will get a two diversion. Okay, so there is a bar and family restaurant. It's written here. You should not go right. Instead you have to go straight. Okay, thank you.
घूमे घूमे बंजारे घूमे गलियां ये बेचारे don't know which way to go. आगे होगा क्या
So guys, we are at our first viewpoint. I am damn sure you will be very much excited to see this. So come soon, come soon.
ఏ ఫాల్స్ చూడాలి.
Amazing nature view, guys.
बेफिक्रे चार मलंगी छोड़ के आए साथी संगी, घर बैठे शोशा में खर्चे हो गई साली जेब की तंगी। बेफिक्रे चार मलंगी छोड़ के आए साथी संगी, घर बैठे शोशा में खर्चे हो गई साली जेब की तंगी। सत्तेबाजी नाच नचाए अब तो हमको रब ही बचाए। Don't know which way to go, आगे होगा क्या।
So guys, see this place. Usually during rainy time, from top you will get too much of water flow, and as now the water flow is very less. But as to satisfy, we got this much. See, I am a nature shower, what I can call. Amazing. Woohoo! A nature shower. This is the main viewpoint, so it's amazing. During rainy time, our both eyes will be more satisfied, what I can call. So you can just check, it's an amazing view. So the same way, there also it's a fully rocky mountain, what I can call.
घूमे बंजारे घूमे गलियां ये बेचारे, don't know which way to go, आगे होगा क्या।
That part is a hill. Start up.
స్టార్ట్ అప్.
So as you can see behind me, this is the main point where me, myself and Sunny will be going there. We'll be sitting and we'll be taking a nature shower. So I'm excited. Let's go there, guys. So we started from Harvard for this particular place, and yeah, it's amazing. I'm happy, satisfied. So I'm going to wash out all my tiredness, going and sitting there, taking a shower.
हो गई जब हालत कड़की, याद आने लगी फिर घर की, बोतल का ढक्कन खोला कसर मिटाते जिंदगी भर की। हो गई जब हालत कड़की, याद आने लगी फिर घर की, बोतल का ढक्कन खोला कसर मिटाते जिंदगी भर की।
So we had an amazing fun. So Sunny, it says here. So now the water flow is a bit low actually. So it was totally amazing experience, guys. So I'll just show you. This is the view. And this is the view. So at last, here is the end of our trip actually. And we had a great time enjoying this Baba Falls. If you search in Google, there's one more name for this Baba Falls. I don't remember actually. So whomsoever wants to come, you can come along with your family. It's very safe, and Google will guide you. But make sure if you have a Jio network, it's far better, because Airtel and other network is not working over here. But Jio, you will easily get a network, and you can make a video call to your family, friends, and you can show the view, nature, everything. So make sure while coming, have a Jio network. Thanks to Ambani Group. And yes, guys. Sunny wants to say something. Hello, guys. Thank you so much.
तो बन गए पत्थर, जीना नहीं है अब मर मर कर। Don't know which way